Good day to everyone. Welcome back to our channel The Iconic Mind. I'm back with another beautiful travel episode. In this episode, we would visit a place where one would experience tranquility and peace of mind. Without further ado, let us get into the video.
We are too busy in life in trying to make both ends meet, managing things in our life in such a way that we organize things according to our priority. Many of us take each day as it comes and then seem surprised to find where life has taken us. When our external environments change, our priorities may change as well. This is where we have to determine what is truly important for us. Some would never settle for anything less than true happiness, and in search of this, they travel the world to find the kind of happiness that would give them tranquility and peace of mind. Often, people turn to meditation as a means, spending much time in isolated places, as this may give them a sense of calmness, peace, and balanced mind. For them, this benefits both emotional well-being and overall health. And these benefits don't end when meditation session ends. This is when people travel long distances in search of such places where they can experience tranquility and peace of mind. Here, you may get to know the first-hand experience of the monks on how they get connected to peace and solitude. At least, you may be guided by the monks towards peace and solitude through various meditational practices which they do in a better way. Meditation can help carry us more calmly through our day and may help us managing things in a peaceful manner. The basic idea is simple. Every time our mind begins to shift its focus away from us and we get lost in thought, we simply and gently bring our attention back through meditation. The use of silence is a powerful coaching skill, all part of our ability to listen effectively as a coach. It is a skill which can take a while to feel comfortable with and to master, often feeling that silence indicates that we have run out of questions or that we are making ourselves feel uncomfortable. People are in search of a great place to stay far away from the noise and pollution of the city, to meditate and experience the silence of the nature. Many would wish to turn off the noise of life, that is, to avoid loud, noisy activities and places. Focus is so important because it is the gateway to all thinking, perception, memory, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Without good focus, all aspects of our ability to think will suffer. Is there such a great place to visit where through meditation, tranquility, and peace of mind can be achieved? Yes, monasteries are built for that purpose. You can see a chapel monastery on top of a hill rock. That may be the same reason why this monastery is built on the top of the hill rock. Let us visit the monastery of Saint Benedict, who is the patron saint of Europe. He was a religious reformer who lived in Italy in the late 400s and early 500s. Benedict founded 12 communities for monks at Subiaco, Lazio, Italy, and let us visit one among them, the Abbey of San Benedetto on the mountain slope. While being here, one would start to experience the peace of mind and the tranquility that we discussed. This is the so-called Sacro Specchio in Subiaco, a place of hermitage that has become work of architecture and art. Here is the cave where the young Benedict took refuge from Rome and where he remained for 3 years in prayer. His reputation as a holy man spread, and many people climbed to the rocky heights of Sacro Specco, known as Benedict's Holy Cave, to receive spiritual guidance. It is believed that in this cave he has written all the rules for the monks, where he was moved and enlightened by the Holy Spirit. You can see different groups of people waiting for their turn to visit this great place. The entry is limited now due to corona restrictions. As you can see, this monastery is built on the rock that rises very high and is almost vertical like a wall. Let us slowly walk out of this monastery with all the experience that we had, developing a positive attitude towards life. This can help transform us in our daily life in the hope of changing amazing things all around us.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give the thumbs up. Of course, you can convey your opinions in the comment box below. I will come up with another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.